Hi guys, welcome to Travel with Austin. I'm Austin. Today I'm here in Indiana at the Indiana State Sanatorium. Today we're going to be checking out the past doctor's bungalows here. Now these are some old brick buildings on the property that have recently been renovated or are in the process of renovation. So the one that we're in right now, the wall over here had originally fallen down. And you can see where they have rebuilt it back up and actually built it up taller than it originally was, because there's the original brick. And as we walk around here, you can see where they have all the different posts and stuff as they renovate it. And a look back out here. And you can see it's pretty empty, honestly. So now we have to go down these stairs, which I'm just now noticing these stairs are crooked. So this is fun. Okay. As we get down to the bottom, we still have some of the original wood and stuff here. The fireplace, a bookshelf that's built in. Some of the original brick and wood stuff. Some of the original handrail here. If you guys notice, the stairs are crooked. If you stand at the top, they're crooked. And then there is actually another bungalow here, literally just right over here. And this one is more original, so you can take a look and see. Basically, this is what the brick frame should look like. And basically, this is just what it looks like without, having been renovated. That's what the outside of the renovated one looks like. So let's go in here. And as we enter in here, the first part is actually still pretty original. We have the fireplace, bookshelves. There are still books left behind here, as well as photos of presumably the family and people who used to live here. Now in here we have the old dining room. Look at those beautiful doors. And right now it is filled with a bunch of old wood stuff. And then as we get into the back, it is once again in the process of being renovated. So you can see right there is the old bathroom. Toilet's still there, wallpaper's still there. But the back of this is in the process of being renovated. We still do have the chandelier though. And here we have what is presumably the bedroom. Now you also notice this one technically does not have a second floor. I do believe there is technically an attic space somewhere in here that you could probably get into, kind of like a crawl space. But there is no actual second floor in this building. Now, to end this, we're actually going to go out back and take a look at the old garage area. So, walk down these pretty steep steps. And here is the garage area. It looks like we might kind of have like a little bit of a basement here. Well, here's the crawl space. So, but yeah, I mean, it literally is just a little storage area and it's not connected to the rest of the house, but it's probably better than nothing. Also, the driveway to get here would be pretty steep. And we'll go ahead and look at it on the other side too. And there we are. These are the doctor bungalows. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe. It really helps me out a lot, and I'll see you guys next time with a brand new video.